All right, y'all, here we go. This is my gumbo recipe, okay? This is how I throw down. Clean your chicken real good, season it how you like. Some people boil their chicken. I prefer to brown mine. That's just how I grew up. That's how I continue to do. Flip it over, put the top on it, and let it sit for a little bit. Chop up some green onion, throw that in a bowl. We got our bell peppers. Add that with it. I use half of a yellow onion. You can put the whole onion in there if you want to. I just didn't do that. Do what you want, boo. So I don't really measure, but I put a little bit of garlic in there too. Then we go to our meats. I add 2 packs of sausages. You can do 1, you can do 3, do you. Do not cook your chicken all the way through. Throw that in the bowl with the rest of your meats. We got our okra, crab, shrimp, sausage, whatever. Add your chicken grease to your bacon grease. And yes, y'all, I put bacon in my gumbo. That's just me though. Chop it up for a little splat out. Throw that in there. We got a slab of butter, paprika, chili powder, onion powder, Creole, and Cajun seasoning. Throw that in there. Again, I do not measure, but it looks so good, y'all. I missed the roux part, but this is where you want to warm up the flour. Warm up the grease, add a little bit of flour at a time. Stir it up until it's brown like so. Add your vegetables in there first. I'd put a little bit at a time. And then you want to put in your meats and let it all sit. Clean as you go, clean as you go. Gosh, look at that gumbo. I can smell it through the phone. It was so good, y'all. Enjoy. As you can see, I was studying, just doing me.